All right, so in this video, I'm going to go over what is lot size and how to use it. So lot size is basically the trade multiplier. So for example, the smallest lot size that we can trade with here on Abado, I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see right around here, you can see is 0.01. All right, so a 0.01 lot size trade means that every time the market moves 1 point, the P&L or the profit and loss for that trade will be worth 1 cent. So for example, if the market was to move 50 points, the P&L would be 50 cents. If it was to move 100 points, the P&L would be 100 cents, which is $1. Now, let's say we increase this to one full lot size, so 1.00. That means that every time the market moves 1 point, now my trade will be worth $1 per point movement. So let's say the market moves 20 points, the trade P&L, profit or loss, will be $20. So what we always want to do is minimize our risk to less than 1% of the balance. So the golden rule that I always use is maximum one lot size per 10,000 in the trading account. And why do I do that? Because 1% of 10,000 is $100. So if I do a one lot size trade and I set my stop loss and take profit to 100 points, the maximum that I can make or lose on that trade would be $100. And that on a $10,000 account would be 1%. Now, I would always even do less than 1%, but the maximum I would do would be 1% per trade.